Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 22nd December 2024. Title of Murli. Constantly stay in your self-respect, give regard to everyone, and cooperate with them to make them powerful. Today, Bap Dada is seeing 3 lines of fortune on the forehead of each Brahman child. The first line is of God's sustenance. The second is of God's teachings, and the third is the shining line of elevated directions. So, do not just keep this fortune in your awareness, but always remain in the form of awareness. The one who is an embodiment of awareness is the powerful form. Baba further said, you have to remain in the awareness of body aspiration for a long time. This nature has become so firm that sometimes, even at the time of becoming soul conscious, many children, this body consciousness attracts them towards itself. But now, in this mortal soul birth, you have to make the stage of soul consciousness natural and a nature. You do not have to make effort in this. I am a soul. I am a soul. The first lesson should become firm naturally. In any case, this will be the last small paper of Brahmans, the form of being a destroyer of attachment. Finally, Baba said, you definitely have to attain liberation in life, but before you become liberated in life, now become free from effort. Only this state will bring the time closer and will liberate all the souls of the world, your brothers and sisters, from sorrow and unrest. This state of yours will open the door to the abode of salvation for everyone. Blessing for today. May you become constantly victorious in all adverse situations by remaining seated on your seat of self-respect. Details are: remain constantly seated on your seat of self-respect. I am a victorious jewel. I am a master almighty authority. As is your seat, so you develop the qualifications for that seat. When any adverse situation comes in front of you, set yourself on this seat in a second. The only orders that are obeyed are of those who are seated on their seat of their position. Remain on your seat and you will become victorious. The confluence age is the age to be constantly victorious. This age is blessed, and so be blessed and become victorious. Slogan is, those who gain victory over all their weaknesses are the Shiv Shakti Pandav army. Om Shanti.